Hey there, it's spa day for the Class B Winnebago Travato. Hey, Go Small, Live Large viewers, thanks for tuning in today. My name is Scott, I am your host. I've got a very dirty Travato here, a Class B RV made by Winnebago. And I wanted to show you how I wash the van. I currently have had experience with a commercial truck wash. Boy, that was a big downer. Essentially, they scratched my Travato with their vigorous brushing and semi-truck style hardware. It was a big downer. And I've had experience with a public car wash with a tall enough bay to allow the Travato to come in. That's not bad, but what I found that if I have my own hose, my own bucket, my own brush, my own soap, and space, that I can do a much better job on my own. So that's what I'm going to share with you today. What I have is a car or an RV specific car wash brush that I tuck into this storage space. And I bought this at Walmart. I'll put the link in below. This just screws together and extends. So it extends like that. Okay, so the brush is ready to go. I'd say it's about, well, I'm 5'10", so this is about 5'10". Right, you might be asking yourself, what in the hell is this thing? This is a collapsible bucket, and it barely fits in here. And if you give it a little squeeze, it pops right out. And this thing is so groovy. Watch this. It goes from probably 2 inches to big ass bucket. Look at that. Is that thing cool? So this is where the soapy water goes. I would highly recommend getting this. So I got this at Bass Pro Shops. I'll put the link in the description. All right, the last thing that we need is some water. So what I have here is a hose that I do not use for drinking water. This is strictly for cleaning off. And I got this at Walmart. I think it's a 50-footer. And what I like about it is it's like cloth, so it just folds down to next to nothing. And this is what we're going to use to connect the hose to the wash wand. We'll go turn on the water. Now when I get to the acrylic windows, I pay special attention not to scrub too hard because they are sensitive to scratching, but I do want to give them a little wash there. Fun about washing your own car is you get to kind of get a little intimate with it and see all the curves, the way the sun plays off the metal and the chrome and the fit and the finish. For me at least, it gives me a minute to kind of actually reflect on what this is, what it provides, and just to, really appreciate the automotive and coach engineering, build quality, aesthetics. That's one reason I kind of enjoy doing this. All right, now this is really a cool feature. The rack, it moves to the side and it lifts off its rack here, and then it literally comes around here, and these two red things you can see there on the end of the ladder, they snap onto the rack, which is right up here. Just a minute or so, I have complete access to the roof. Show you guys this. It's pretty amazing. Sorry for the funky angle, but solar panel, this is the big one. This is the 160 watt. This is the 40 watt. The vent. This is the TV antenna. This is the Sirius XM, I believe. Air conditioning. Way back there is a bathroom vent. This is a vent for the plumbing stack. All right, so we'll give it a quick final rinse. And what's nice about on-off switch is I turn the water off so that I can remove the brush and use the jet. That's kind of the final rinse. This is pretty cool. Okay, with that we're done. Let's put things away. So that's it. A spa day over for giving a bath to a Class B RV. Overall takes about 20 to 30 minutes, I've found. Everything I need is right here in my storage unit, and I'm in control of the quality. I'm not relying on other people's equipment, brushes, or their personnel. I highly recommend getting a spa day kit for your RV. So with that, I thank you for tuning in. Again, my name is Scott. This is Go Small, Live Large, a channel dedicated to going to interesting places, meeting fascinating people, my life as a van lifer in my Travato GL, and being a digital nomad, working from the road. So really appreciate you tuning in today. Until we meet again, I wish you to journey on. Appreciate you liking this. Liking it helps others find the channel. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We're growing like crazy. Appreciate that. And share this video. If you have somebody that has a Class B RV or a Travato or thinking about getting one in 2019, boy, these kind of videos from the response I've seen with others, it really helps them understand what it is, why it is, and some of the how-to around it. Take some of the mystery out.